customer developed a new solution and had patented it. Their proof of concept design was put together in a garage, kind of like the first Apple computer made out of plywood, and so it was not really manufacturable. That's where they came to us. Their expertise is in the use of the machine. They had little to no ability for the hydraulics or what do we do for controls. The machine's design was to aid in the movement, the transportation industry. Typically it's minimum of 200 miles. A lot of times it can be 1,000 miles that they have to move it. We had to handle fragile things. We had to keep the system extremely simple to keep it extremely robust on the hydraulic side. And so we did add a few things they didn't have in their prototype. We made the lifting function proportional. We made some of the rotation functions proportional, even though we're using a gear pump. And we used clever hydraulic circuits to do that we could keep that robust design, but give them the performance they weren't even understanding they needed. We were looking out 10 years, what are they going to be handling? They were just thinking, today I've got this problem, help me fix it. The electronics had been point-to-point wiring. Our design came in everything except for 3 main power connections. Everything else is plug and play. The cost of manufacturing comes way down. We work on industrial control systems, we work on mobile control systems, we're in mining, we're in explosive environments, we're all over the place. The cross-pollination that we use, bringing different traditional industrial or traditional mobile solutions, if you stay in those rigid categories, you come up with some very clumsy Rube Goldberg solutions. So we come in and provide that expertise, and we're a little unique in that our electrical engineers are expected to have a 5,000-foot view of understanding of hydraulics, and our hydraulics engineers are supposed to have this same 5,000-foot view. What can the electronics do for me? And then the expertise is how do we make something that's manufacturable? That means it's efficient, it's understandable. Again, the expertise and experience at GS Gold Resources makes all this possible because we've done something similar.